In this tutorial, we will show you how to properly assemble your Aqua Ray cleaner. Keep in mind, your cleaner comes with enough hose to accommodate a 24-foot pool. Additional hoses can be purchased at the Great Escape. Start by sliding the disc down the cleaner body, making sure the side marked up is up. You can now pull and flex down on the disc until it is fully inserted into the foot grooves. After assembling the disc, it is important to make sure the disc rotates easily. You can now install the handle by flexing and inserting each end into the slots on the front side of the cleaner body. Using the same method, install the deflector on the back side of the cleaner, ensuring the weight is toward the bottom of the cleaner body. You are now ready to connect the hoses to the cleaner body. Start with one hose section, slowly twisting it until it is fully inserted into the body of the cleaner. You can now assemble the rest of the hoses using the same method. You have now successfully assembled your Hayward Aqua Ray automatic cleaner. If you have any questions, contact your local Great Escape store. We're always happy to help.